witch. Out of my way, gold digger.
Listen, we need to talk. I've been sitting here waiting for you to come back. Please.
I have nothing to discuss with you, witch. I don't discuss with gold diggers.
Kevin, I don't know what I've done to you to deserve this name-calling and hatred. I'm not a bad person. I married your father because I love him. Yes, I swear to God, I love him. I'm in love with him. That's
you know nothing about love, gold digger. You are a gold digger. You're not even a good actor. You can't even act it out. I can see what you are. All right? You want to reap where you did not sow.
No.
No, yes. Look at the age bracket. Look at my father. Look at you. Why don't go for your mate? Because you want to reap where you did not sow. That would not work.
That is not true, Kelvin. Forget the age. I love your father. I'm here because I love him. Please believe me.
You know nothing about love. You are a gold digger. You have succeeded in poisoning my father's heart towards me. I think you're happy now. Pop a champagne on me, but you've not seen the last of me.
Kelvin, can you just calm down? Let's have a proper discussion. Like two adults. Please, give me audience, please.
If you stand on my way again, I would break your neck. Dare me.
Yes, now I'm gonna flex you.
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
One more word from that your useless mouth, and you see what I'll do to you.
You see what you will do to me because of this witch. Before now, have you ever seen what you do to me? No, this witch is manipulating. Can't you see?
Can't you just shut up?
Can't you? Shut up! Shut up, witch! Shut up, witch!
Did you hear what he said?
Put down the gun. It has not gotten to
witch! Gold digger!
Please.
Gold digger! Why is she holding me?
Bring this thing on your
Break it! Break it! Because of this witch, you want to break the head of your only son. Good! Isn't it obvious she's manipulating you? Open your eyes! Kelvin!
Shut up, Kelvin!
Shut up!
What is wrong with you?
Witch!
Don't you have respect for your
You
father?
have succeeded in manipulating my father. You won't get me. Witch! Look at them. Both of you are witches. Spoiling my groove. The only time I have to have fun, you spoil it. Witch!
Over and over, but she keeps insisting that I won't understand, that she married Chief out of love. I think something is wrong somewhere. If not that she's my daughter and I know her very well, I would have said she married for the money. Otherwise, why will a young girl leave her young lover to marry a man far older?
I'm wondering myself, Mama, because it's been 6 months. But the whole thing is, we never really had any fights, except for the normal relationship hassles. I know I might not be as rich as Chief is. I know I made sure I provided her with everything she needed.
So what is the issue? You are such a perfect young man.
Thank you, Mama.
I have talked and talked, but she insisted.
It's fine. Anyways, though I'm heartbroken, but I guess I have to wish her the very best in her marriage. Mama, I've got to be on my way. But before I leave, let me give you something for you.
Oh, thank you. Oh. After what my daughter did, you
Mama,
still give me more each time you see me.
Just that's 20,000. Manage
Thank
it.
you. Oh, God bless you.
I've got to be on my way. Anytime I drive by, I'll check on you. Okay?
No problem.
Hey, Mama. Your shop is not as stocked as it used to be. Let me give you some.
No. It's okay. Oh?
Are you sure?
It's okay.
Are you sure?
It's okay.
All right,
It's
Mama.
okay. Thank you very much.
Thank
God
you,
bless you. Oh,
no problem.
My God will bless you. Oh, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Oh? Right.
I miss you, Mother.
Back in the days,
I miss you so much.
oh yeah. Back in the days, night to come.
Why did you leave me? Why? It wasn't time for you to go. You fought a good fight. But accident snatched the best part of you. You will always live in my heart. Always. And I love you. I love you.
Hey, Kelvin. I brought you breakfast.
What are you doing in my room? Witch.
Like I said, I brought you...
Get out.
Kevin, are we...
Get out of my room! Wait! Get out! Get out! 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 Get out! Wait!
They will come, oh yeah, they will go. Back in the days, night to come, night to go. Back in the days, seasons will come, nothing changes. Seasons will go. Back in the days, gentle breeze never gets my way. But now the night is so long, like day will never come. Sadness in the sky. I am wandering with many thoughts, fears and worries in my mind. Oh no, no. How can I be happy? How can I see the old good days reign again? Oh no, it's blue all the way now. Sadness. Happiness is gone away, far away. Joy is gone away, far away. Peace is gone away, far away. Back in the days, sun will shine, light to the moon, moon will be. Back in the days, rain will come, rain will go, nothing changes. Back in the days, day will come, day will go, nothing changes. Back in the days.
Girls, I don't know what it is, but something is definitely not right with Kelvin.
Kelvin? Are you sure he's not doing drugs?
What is wrong with you? Why would you say that? You know Kelvin doesn't do drugs.
I'm just saying my own, no. Because this guy is unnecessarily aggressive these days. Can you see the way he beat up that guy just because the guy was staring at you?
Okay. Come on, what are you saying? We know Kelvin is a jealous lover. I know he doesn't do drugs. I just feel he hasn't gotten over the death of his mom. You know how close they were.
babe, calm down. Calm down. I mean, he lost his mom 2 years ago. Hello? That's not even enough reason to be aggressive like God said. It's not called for. We're your friends who tell you the truth.
Thank you. God will bless you. Tell her, Christabel, you have to be careful. Before this guy go use slap, redesign this your fine face.
No, enough of this, Gold. Kelvin doesn't hit women. He respects women. I know that about him. He's not like that. It's fine, it's fine. Just be careful. Just be careful, that's all we're saying.
Beg, enough of this matter. Babe, how far now? I be you. Money for my wig. What's up? What's up? What's up?
No, not to worry. I'll give it to you by weekend.
Weekend? Babe, I need money now. Wait till the weekend. I want to survive.
You want pizza?
Babe, you don't understand.
I said I will give it to you by weekend.
Babe, I beg. Make weekend be weekend though. I need money. I even want to go see person. I go change.
You want to go see person? Every time you're seeing somebody. Babe, somebody. Huh? This girl, eh? Babe, calm down now. But you know Kelvin doesn't do drugs, right? I know, he doesn't do drugs, but just be careful. It doesn't cost a thing to be careful, right? We're your friends. Smile now. Smile. It's okay.
Where is this young man? Kelvin! Kelvin!
Yes, Dad.
Good morning, Dad. Morning, son.
Good morning, Kevin.
Sit down so we can eat as a family.
Dad, I'm all right, thank you.
Sorry, love.
Father, we thank you for the meal that we're about to receive. Amen.
Amen. That was so brief.
Babe, there's something I want to talk to you about. I don't know if you're in the right frame of mind to talk.
It doesn't matter. I'm all ears.
I mean, is there something that's been going on with you that I don't know about? I mean, you haven't told me?
I don't understand. Why do you ask?
Kelvin, you've been acting strange. This is not the you I know. You skip classes, you get...
Hey, hold on. I don't get. Do you pay my school fees?
No, that is not what I am saying. But you need to understand what I am
Listen! Let this be the first and the last time you speak to me about coming to class or not. We good?
Really? Fine. Whether you like it or not, I am going to tell you the truth because I am your girlfriend. What you did to Joe yesterday was totally uncalled for. You had a whole class saying terrible things about you.
Who cares? Whose business is it? Theirs and not mine. Alright?
Well, you should go back and apologize to him because what you did yesterday was totally wrong. Really wrong.
Really? No, I should have folded my hands and watched Joe insult me. Is that what you're saying?
That isn't what I'm saying, but come on, you went too far. It was just an argument, a football argument, and you had to punch him? I don't know, but you should just go back and apologize to him. Where are you going? What the hell is wrong with this boy?
Go and enter Joe's car. Get out!
Kevin!
Get out!
Kevin!
Joe's car.
Nonsense.
Go and enter Joe's car. Can you imagine this stupid thing? Telling me. Get out of my way!
Something else. See the way the guy know every nooks and cranny of this area. See, it's just the meander like squirrel.
No man that idiot. If you see an go be like say no go feel wrong, eh?
They talk this one. They talk this one because he just they come. Yeah, you here now. You don't know what they pass through. Since we don't pursue this guy to get him, we no fit. But make him no worry. Every day now for thief, one day now for the owner. He can never go faster than the arms of the law. We'll get him.
Let's go back to the van. We'll tell
this is how they say we'll go back to the van again now. You could go tell that man now, so we'll lose him. Go tell that man. You know, as in the shout. Nah, I don't like that man. Wahala. More go.
Yeah, zoom. I be on my way like I be coming soon. Got a chopper on a nigga, boom. So when they tryna hold me, I go zoom. It's a long time coming, why they hop on my thing? Do not hesitate, that's why I got this confidence thing. Just be careful, if you fly, they gon' try cut all your wings. When I talkin', it's the ending, that's the way of a king. I won't rest till the money made me sagging my jeans. I'm a papa, I'm a mama, living life out the way. And then I'm a realest nigga, flexing dependently. When I talkin', it's the ending, that's the way of a king. Yeah. Congratulations, that's the only valid conversation.
What's up?
Can I help you, bro?
Well, we are not quarreling now.
I never said we are. Go straight to the point.
Anyway, Jide and Christabel came to my place this morning and they said I should advise you to join us on our evening tutorial.
What are you saying? Are you out of your mind?
No.
Who are you to tell me what to do?
It's not like that, just that I feel you need that evening tutorial so that you can brush up.
I can brush up? So you're telling me my GP is low? You're telling me my GP is low?
That is not what I mean.
So what are you saying?
We are not quarreling.
You're not quarreling? Who are you to tell me my GP? My GP is low, come here. Let this be the first and the last time you poke nose into my affair. Have I made myself clear? Have I made myself clear? Now bounce. Bounce! Look at this one that cannot pay his school fees. Speaking English for me, honestly.
tryna hold me, I go zoom, zoom, zoom. Don't like your vibe, and I go zoom, zoom, zoom.
You see you, Bala. You see for this game today, I don't win you. Eh? I don't win you. This is not this game where they play me on this one. Now for here you go no say, Chacha go rotate. You don't come for me today. Play game, you don't dey fear. Play. Play now.
You see the kind beat who I go beat you today. Now the way we Anthony Joshua they beat people.
Yeah. You see, whoa, but it just they sweet you.
God game now.
Too much saccharin for your body, but it just they sweet you. No worry, go sweet you, I go play here now. You go clap for your eye now.
No only one in court.
Not so now, play. This is the place more picking game.
Your mouth just they run up and down.
No worry.
When I shove that small money.
Share this money. No, the fee say get money. Play.
Now you go play.
Get go. No be police come, I mean.
Huh? See no be police.
Adam, which kind of run be this one now? See, Adam, you see this your totally? For your life, I swear for your life, not try am again, oh. Not just try am. See as you make my mind fly. And you self no say anything wey go make my mind come back, na emotional feelings. And you know that one now. Why you gonna run like Mugu?
Adam, wetin dey pursue wey make you run enter like this?
Yeah. Call her, shut up, I beg. You just talk. What did I worry yourself? See, I go BBC. Say we can go buy smoke. As I won't pay. Now I can show. They begin knack people. Bah. I move. 2 of them follow me. I'm gonna be small as well.
They catch you.
Fool. They answer whether they catch her. They catch her in there here.
See, Bala, no they insult me, oh. No they charge for me, oh. No they insult me. Why they call me fool now? Which kind of talk be that one? Where that money?
See. Kala, it is all this way they do. It is all those whoa. You see this money? It's in my pocket. I don't will you. You hear me? I don't will you. You know I catch you. You know I see what you do, Joro. I just want me to package and wear. Where you set another money?
Don't give me my thunder. You see, let thunder fire you. That man where you use.
Kala, me you know the party. Kala, go not you. Kala, go not you. Kala, go not you. Give me my money.
Kelvin, we need to talk.
Welcome, Kelvin.
Father, you can speak. I don't want to sit down.
Listen, son, we need to, I'm just getting fed up with this.
Hey, I'm talking to you. I thought you're a graduate. Are you so dumb you can't see that father and son are about to have an important discussion?
Watch your mouth. I asked her to stay and be part of this discussion.
Simple. You don't want to have a discussion with me. If you must talk to me as father and son, this gold digger, this witch will not be here. Not until then. I am not ready to talk to you.
Did you hear that? What insolence.
It's okay. He's just a boy.
He's just a boy? He's 30 for heaven's sake.
Like I said, it's okay. Just calm down, okay?
Christabel, what is it? I've been here for a moment.
It's Kelvin.
Kelvin? Christabel, what about Kelvin?
It's nothing. How was school today?
Oh, school was okay. Talk to me. What about Kelvin? Why are you crying? What about Kelvin?
It's nothing. I'm fine. I'm okay.
But you know you're not fine.
Coach, I said I am fine.
Please talk to me. Talk to me.
Please, can I be left alone? Please.
Okay. Are you really sure about this?
God, I said I am fine.
But you're not fine.
Please, just let me be. I'm fine.
Okay.
So he still went out last night?
Sweetheart, he's just a boy. Cut him some slack, okay?
No. This is highly unbecoming.
Like I said, he's just a boy.
Anyway, I have to go now. He will still be answerable to me when I come back later.
Sometimes I want to have a talk with somebody, but there is no one I can talk to. You know you are the only person I can talk to. You know how much I love you. You know how much I built my happiness around you. And then you left. I wonder what you were thinking when you left. Look at me. I'm so lonely. There's no one to talk to. No true love. Even your husband, my father, has followed that witch and has abandoned me. You will never. But you did abandon me. You left me when I needed you the most. What do you have me do? What would you have me do? You promised you would never leave me. But you left. I wish I can just wake up and this is all a dream. father? Answer me! How many times have I warned you to stay away from things that belong to me in this house? How many times have I warned you?
Kelvin, stop shouting. It's just a charger. More so, it was free.
It was free. It was free. I am warning you. I am warning you, witch. Stay away from things that belong to me in this house. The reason I did not destroy this phone is because it was bought with my late mother's hard-earned money. Stay away from me.
Oh, please. Stop pointing at me. Boy, accord me some respect. What is your problem? Since I came into this house, I have received nothing but hatred and maltreatment from you. Disrespect. What is it? What have I done?
Disrespect my foot! You don't deserve any respect. I thought my father said you're a graduate. You're sophisticated. 10 a.m. and you're watching TV. Who does that? Tell me, who does that? Witch! Gold digger!
Don't you dare call me that again. Don't!
Else, you do what? Hit me? You will do no such thing and I'll call you a gold digger over and over again. You are a gold digger. Or you think I don't know? I know your story. You have a latent lover, a boy that you're dating. Why didn't you marry him? Why didn't you? You came for my father because of his wealth. That wealth you would never have. It belongs to me. It belongs to my late mother. You will not have it. Wait! Go ahead. Do something. You will do nothing. Witches don't do nothing. You're a witch. You're a gold digger. That's what you are. Or you think you will come from nowhere to take what belongs to me and I'll fold my hands and look at you? You got another thing coming. Babe, pop a champagne on me. Gold digger. Witch.
Hey, Chichi, how far now? Chichi! On your side. Where am I? Chichi! Chichi! Nah, Omo, you get as the game take they do sometimes, so they just me. Wait, who be this girl, self? Wait, make this girl they do like saying, only her mother and I'm the person where they sell something for this area.
Now, wow.
I don't understand though.
Wait, Chichi, confess. What do you feel like? What do you, who you the package for? Person go to greet you, go like saying in the year. I be going to punish you, them mad.
See, I better give us shark, make we shark come out from here. No, they see you.
Nana girl na yeye mat o. Nana girl na yeye mat. Mama say ma not say anything unless una give me money. She say una pay before I sell something give una.
Go. What did they worry yourself? You do like say, as your mother said, this drink, whether na NC or na Jack Daniel, or you dey feel say this people na supermarket, you dey crest. You. But don't worry, take now.
All these people which
take.
They get one kind of Chichi no be so.
Lock up.
Let the strong your face.
I bet Bella no let me talk o. Nana know how much una theory dey hold my mama. If they be don tell na una carry mama go village. Na don carry mama go village since o.
Method na fire you. I say method na fire you. Nah, no only us be person wey dey owe. If like say you no well happy, you wan come begin to show yourself. No dey tell me say make I calm down, wetin dey worry you? No try am again o. Thunder wan fire you.
You see say your man dey rush like razor blade. Who see you now go think say you be better person? You wey dey hold my mama 950 since 4 months. 4 months now. Now you dey hold my mama 950. You see guy this your two dirty leg come yesterday. You can't still take something of 18 naira abi? Now this one you dey do now e good.
E good. See make I tell you, e good because no be only me dey owe.
Shut up!
For this life, no be only me dey owe. Even before my father died, he dey owe many people.
Shut up!
This way they do it good. How you gonna hold this woman 950? Wait till she they say for you we go hold am this kind 950. If not, they carry they carry all these small girls for area, and so you go carry them. They spend your money for gambling. See as you just they hold this woman 950.
Shut up! Now your own worse. Your own day your body. You they hold me money because I'm not telling mama say you they hold me money.
Oh.
But now you they hold me money. Now they do me eye. You they hold me money. Idiot.
It sounds like for my hand. People now go to say we be the same. Sounds like they form my hand. We know the same before. Not be that kind of way you think say we go now we do.
Why you gonna hold this woman this kind of thing for this
Like
for this
man.
place?
You know they enter me.
Is it connecting?
No answer again.
Where could he possibly be that he's not taking or returning his calls? I called him severally this morning.
I don't know what is going on. I have called Kelvin over 50 times today. Sent him numerous messages, yet he wouldn't respond. Chide, you are his friend. If something is going on, please talk to me. Has he said anything to you? What is happening?
Don't worry yourself too much. Take it easy, okay? I will possibly look for a means and get in touch with him so that I will talk to him. Just take it easy, okay?
I can't take it easy. Don't tell me to take it easy. How do I do that? The love of my life has turned to a total stranger. You're asking me to take it easy. How? He has a test this afternoon. He's nowhere to be found and you're asking me to take it easy. How?
This is the part that is giving me concern. If he misses this SOC 301, that means he will be missing 3 texts at a row for 3 weeks. Something must be done. I think this is uncalled. This is unlike Calvin. He will definitely have academical problem if he does not continue with his tests.
Exactly what I don't want to happen. I don't want anything to go wrong. If his mother was still alive, I would have walked up to her and discussed things with her, but she's not here. And I can't even go to his father because I don't know how he's going to take this whole thing.
If his mother was alive, he wouldn't even dare to miss lectures, let alone tests. His grade will not be this low. I mean, we have to do something before it gets out of hand entirely. This is unlike Calvin. I don't know what has gotten into him. Just keep trying. Let's keep trying. Let us not lose hope.
Kelvin, please just pick up your call. Just take the calls at least.
Honey, what's the problem? You can go. Talk to me. You know I can't stand it when I see you crying. Please, what is it? What's the problem?
I want to go back to my parents' house. Take me back to my parents' house.
Why? What do you mean back to your parents' house? What is the problem?
I can't stand this insults and name calling again.
What insult? Look, just calm down and talk to me, okay? What is it?
Am I a gold digger?
What kind of question is that? call that wife a gold digger?
Isn't she a witch? Isn't she a gold digger? What? Oh, you were going to hit me because you heard the bitter truth?
Which bitter truth? Let me teach this boy a lesson he will never forget.
What would people say? Please.
I don't care what people say. He needs to be taught a lesson. You need to be taught how to respect your elders.
For my sake, please. Please.
You think it's funny?
Father, I have lived with you all my life. I have never given you reason to raise your voice at me, let alone hit me, before this witch walked into your life. Can't you see what she's doing to you? Madam Stella, bravo. So you've succeeded in creating an enmity between father and son. Good job. Pop a champagne on me.
It's okay, please. Allow him. He's just a boy. Please.
So, if I tell you that I am in love with another woman, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna shoot you.
Kelvin, what's up?
What's up, Anita?
I'm good, Kelvin. How are you? Good evening.
I have called and called you countless times. You're not taking nor returning the calls. What's happening?
Brother, it's a long story. It's a long story. Anita, please excuse this your big-headed boyfriend for a while. I need to talk to him personally. Huh? I'll bring you back very, very soon.
I'll borrow you my handsome, sweet lover. Mind you, he has the most perfect head ever.
I know now. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. It's quite big anyway. Bro, come on, let's roll. Let's roll, let's roll.
Please, you said 1 hour. 1 hour, please.
You know Kevin 1 hour. His 1 hour is like Indian film. But not to worry. I'm gonna be back in
Bro, let's go. Anita, I'll bring you back in no time.
Alright. Just be good.
What's wrong with you?
Be good, okay?
Why you say that you don't make up?
It's been 6 months now. Both of you got married. He should have been used to her. Or have you tried having a father-son discussion? At least have a heart-to-heart discussion with him.
My in-law, there's nothing I haven't tried. I even suggested to him that we should go on a father-son vacation so that we can discuss heart-to-heart. Let me know what the problems are. But he flatly refused. He refused. He has become aggressive. He doesn't listen to anyone. I mean, he has just become unruly.
This is unbelievable. Kevin was not like that before. What has come over him?
Do you know that since your sister passed away, I've had to bail him 5 times from the police station?
I don't understand.
I'm serious. Twice he assaulted and severely injured 2 young men.
Hey!
The other 3 times they found cigarettes on him during stop and search and some other dangerous substances.
So, my Kevin have started smoking cigarettes. Eh?
He has started smoking. He doesn't listen to anyone. I don't know. I don't know.
My goodness. Agnes, why will you leave us so soon? Eh?
That is the dilemma I face now. He doesn't want to see eye to eye with Stella. He calls her a gold digger and all sorts of names.
She must have gotten it so tough from him.
Indeed.
Hi.
Indeed. So please, I want you to call him and talk to him. Maybe he'll listen to you.
I will definitely do that. Please, don't worry. I will do that, okay?
All right. I have to go now.
Let me walk you up to your car.
Kevin, what's going on? Why are you not taking anybody's calls anymore?
What is there to say? My father has ruined my life. Huh? The empire that he struggled with my mother to build, he wants to end it on that stupid house help, that gold digger. Isn't that girl too small to be? Why can't my father open his eyes and see that this girl is a gold digger? Isn't it obvious?
Are you telling me this is the reason why you have been skipping classes and avoiding Christian?
Is it not enough to skip classes? Is it not enough? My father is trying to mess up the empire that he struggled to build with my mother. We're losing it on that stupid idiot.
I must advise you. You don't expect your father to remain single for life. I mean, the lady in question might not be what you are thinking. Please, just try out. Okay, have you tried to talk to your father, man, son to father?
I have spoken to him countless times. He just wouldn't listen. I don't even know what he sees in that gold digger in the first place.
It's okay, you stop calling her gold digger.
She's a gold digger!
Calm down, Kevin. It hasn't got into that. Moreover, you shouldn't be avoiding Christabel. Please stop.
I don't want to talk anymore. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
We're not done talking.
But I'm done with you.
All
right, get out of my car. Get out!
Are you telling me to...
Get out! Look at your glasses. Get out!
Gavin!
Get out of my car!
Gavin!
What haven't I done for that boy? He gets all the money he asks for. And it's not as if he doesn't know that his mother died from injuries she sustained from the accident. Or does he think I had something to do with the mother's death?
Honestly, honey, I don't know what to say. For the past 6 months since I arrived here, I've shown him nothing but love and care. But what does he pay me back with? Hatred. Honey, I'm afraid that one day I might be sleeping and he will stab me to death. I never knew or met his late mother.
It's okay, I don't think he'll go to that extent. Let's just say he's still grieving over the death of his mother, and now he still hasn't come to terms with a new woman in the house. Some people just can't take that. Okay?
I pray so. Because, honey, you need to see his eyes each time he's talking to me. I even felt like he was going to strangle me.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't think about it anymore. Come here, let's get some sleep.
Wait, Alex, talk up again. No, let me hear you. Now say it again, Alex. Me, Adam, Alex. Alex, now me, you open your mouth, they tell this thing, they ask this kind of question. Wait. You bless at the dream. Now Alex had to talk to. My brother. It is well, Alex. It is well. Ha! Alex. Sweet Alex, tell me.
Kevin, please, promise me that you will heed to all the advice I've been giving you.
I am not promising, but I will try.
You're not promising, but you will try. You're not doing it for me. You are doing it for Agnes, my late sister. Wherever she is now, she wouldn't want you to be at loggerhead with your father.
But Big Mama...
But don't me. Don't you want her soul to rest in peace? Huh?
Of course I do.
Then cut your father a slag. Let them live peacefully. Let him live peacefully with the wife.
That's where the problem is. That girl is not my father's wife. She's a gold digger. Can't you see? Isn't it obvious when she chose to marry someone that is very, very older than her? Why didn't she go for her half-mate if she's not a gold digger?
Kevin, if you're sounding like this, it makes me angry. Will you just shut up your mouth and listen to me? If she's young or not young, she's not your wife. You are not the one marrying her. Just leave her alone. Eh? Why are you emphasizing on she's old, she's young, this and that? It's not supposed to be your concern. Is she your wife? I'm asking you, are you the one marrying her? Huh? Whether you like it or not, she is your stepmother.
She is not my stepmother. She will never be my stepmother. She's a gold digger. Can any other person see this? She's a witch. A gold digger. She cannot be my stepmother.
Shut up! Kevin, shut up! You don't talk while I'm talking. If you say you have respect for me, you must have to accept her. You must have to. Let them be. Please, I beg you.
Now the matter be that though. You don't tie apart. Shall me and you there yesterday? The landlord was there. Landlord told say mo pack come out. Say our rent say for 6 months we dey owe. Say it don't due. Say it don't overdue. Say mo pack. Say give us 1 week. 1 week.
How want to get that money now?
My business.
Since we did for this compound, you know say our rent don't due since and landlord just leave us.
Self now hungry at the hungry.
You see yourself. We dey talk rent matter. You dey talk food.
Adam, thank God say you don't come. Landlord was there. He talk say mo pack come out. Say our rent don't due. He give us 1 week.
Adam, we even dey talk to you, they answer. They responsible for once in your life now, eh? We dey talk rent matter for here.
Apart from say, all of them just dey useless. Carry everything, no concept. But no be now they blame her. And they blame Alex. Alex! My own senior brother Alex. They asked me say what I want to do for abroad. Alex day. Our rent don't expire. Alex Webster and me package. You know the story now. And I me package money Alex to travel. Alex lock up.
Yeah.
Wahala.
So brother Alex no send money give us now. We no go feel renew our rent.
But
Maybe
brother Alex
go village.
Brother Alex no try. He no try. He for still reason us small.
So brother Alex, I know they sell anything for market again. It don't finish the money what I get. Don't finish for food. And they talk to you. They will carry come out Adam. So brother Alex no they will not go eat. Let's go out there. This has your hungry. Now I no go fit provide food for person. Don't see my brother. But I don't see my brother. Wait, Adam, what do you want to talk to? It don't make sense. You see this kind of thing.
So come bless I need the hustle. Come bless I need the hustle. This life, eh? This life. The life no balance, oh. The rich people, eh? They just the rich, they go. Why the poor, they suffer, they go. And nobody want help, oh. Nobody want help anybody. Hi. I dey para like this. Nobody want even help me self.
See that my uncle, that my useless uncle, Uncle Toby. We be sending for a house where you grow. Now my pale 9 trainer. Now Uncle Toby now don't get money. Just the shangy. Just forget us just like that. This world we can do.
You want better now? You want better now when you talk. What about Alex? Alex don't be the same papa, the same mama with me. Don't be Alex, don't be direct. Because Alex don't go abroad. Imagine, I beg Alex. Say my Alex sponsor me, make I go abroad. Alex open mouth, they ask me, say, ha! Adam, she don't suffer. Oh. Alex, they asked me, Adam. Say what I want to go do for abroad. Eh? Why? Yes, now. Alex even open mouth. They tell me, say, I think, say, money they grow for tree for abroad. Hi. Alex, your brother. Alex, oh! Alex! Child. But making no worry. Ah.
Hey. Now so people they do. I talk my mind they tell me I'm not saying that's so they do. See, they no go like me will be like them. They no go try them. Whether people when they go abroad, they get double head.
Ask me.
I be like then they hustle pass us.
Ask me. Come like say we need the hustle. Come like say person lazy because person never hammer. But you see, make a clear now. Me, I must hammer for this life. And I must shame people like Alex. Yes. You see this life, I go hammer. I will make money. I will make good money. You see, I go build house. I will buy cars. I the owner. Just the watch. I go shame people like Alex. I go put them to shame.
Remember also. Remember. Me too. And me too. God go punish Satan anywhere we did for this life.
Amen.
You see Satan? Amen. Now God then go punish you.
Amen. I swear, may God punish Satan. May we get ourselves. It can be like say we know they try, we know they do anything. See, this matter don't tire me. I won't just go buy smoke. I just smoke my head. They see clear. I know they see from clear.
I bet more they go together.
You uncle, it be like say you dey mad, Abi. Thunder won't fire you. You uncle. No try me, no try me.
It be like bomb day your head.
No try me.
I need to buy me smoke, I be waiting. Guy, not the chance me like this, so wait till they worry you now. Now use your brain, no. Use your upper.
So if I dress as I dress like this now, so if I dress like this, you go dress like this, follow me, they go. Take time, oh. Take time, oh.
Cause I know where they leave you.
I go there enter you. Take time.
I know where they leave you. Cause I know where they leave you.
Go back.
Cause if you start this float, you get luck. Say this float.
Alex, now me, Adam. You look finish. You dey ask me whether money they grow for tree for abroad. Alex, so you don't forget. You forget when you enter university, even before you enter university, when mama and papa don't owe. Who hustle for you? Not be me. I enter street for you, Alex. I dey bless you steady. Even I support you go this abroad though. I me pick my credit, call you, Alex. Say make you get visa for me, support me money. You dey tell me, Adam. Say what I won't come do for abroad. You see you, I must hammer. I could make money. You go yes, course.
What's up?
I'm not feeling...
I understand. He came by yesterday and we went having a drink and like you advised, I was discussing with him, but I didn't tell him so that he would not look like as if you came reporting him to me.
Oh, okay, so what did he say? Is this something I did? Did I offend him?
Far from that. You know, he's having this loggerhead with his dad over a lady his dad got married to newly, and because he feels the lady is a gold digger.
Oh. I mean, here I was thinking that we had issues. He must be going through a lot. But why didn't he tell me? I mean, why is he so stubborn?
Like I told him, he should not expect his dad to be single for life.
Well, I wouldn't blame him. You know how close he was to his mother. I mean, they were best of friends. I'm just feeling so bad right now that I'm not even there to give him comfort.
You shouldn't feel bad. It's not your fault. He kept us all in the dark. I mean, if he came out and told us, guys, this is what his problem is, who would help him? You know, he's even feeling the lady came and maybe want to rip from where his late mom. So, instead of calling the lady to her face a gold digger.
What? What has gotten over Kelvin? Well, I mean, you need to talk to him. This woman might not be as bad as he thinks. He needs to calm down.
Exact word I use on him. You know, he might be feeling the other way around about the woman. But all the same, all we need now is to help him back to his academics. From the way things are going, if we allow him, all I am saying is carry over.
No. It hasn't got into that. That's why we are his friends. We need to do something about this.
Seriously, we need to do something. If not, graduation is not for him.
Yes. Oh, hi, Professor. It's you. I'm all right. How are you and the family doing? Okay, I'm listening. What? You mean he's been skipping school? Good heavens. What is wrong with this boy?
You have been complaining of chest pain. And here you are, drinking. Please, my love. Please, let me... Sorry.
Honey, please excuse us.
All right.
Nice! I see my old man has gathered some balls.
Hey! Shut your mouth. I need you to tell me right now why you've been skipping school. Missing classes.
Me?
No, me.
Who's been feeding you with all these lies? Oh, why am I even asking? We have a witch in the house, of course. She's the one feeding...
Shut your mouth. Stella has nothing to do with it. And I need an answer from you. Why have you been skipping classes?
And I repeat, who has been feeding you with all these lies? Because I haven't been missing classes. And like I said, there's a witch in the house feeding you with all this lies, which of course, as usual, you believed her, right?
I told you she has nothing to do with it. I got a call from Professor Motayo. Yes. He told me about everything, how you've been missing classes and how you beat up a fellow student over some stupid argument about football. What's wrong with you?
Oh. Professor Motayo. I see. Okay. Well, as for the guy that I beat up, he deserved more than I did. He disrespected me. No one disrespects me. And as for my test and missing of classes, I'm sure I can take care of that. You have nothing to worry about.
You must either be crazy, doing drugs, or you've joined some secret cult that I don't know about. Your GP is very low. You've been collecting money from the account under the pretext of going to school, and you skip school.
I don't know why you're bothering yourself so much, Father. I don't know why you're getting yourself so worked up over nothing. Have I called you for help? No. I can handle these things. Give me a break, Father. Please.
You'd better watch it, young man. Watch your step.
Oh my God.
Babe, what's up?
About?
Lover girl, she has not returned from school since morning.
Maybe she's with Kelvin.
Which Calvin?
Her boyfriend.
That useless Igbo smoker.
Anna, God, how can you say that? How?
I don't understand. Are you not in the same campus? Or haven't you noticed his recent behavior? Oh, I see. So she did not tell you that that idiot chased her out of his car the other day, in the middle of nowhere?
No. No, that's not possible. I mean, the Kelvin I know loves Christabel so much, he won't do such a thing.
Okay.
See, God, you're just a bit with pepper and salt. I don't trust you. That's not possible now.
Okay, I see. So you did not even hear that he fought one of his classmates and broke his nose?
Are you joking? Are you joking?
Why will I joke with such a thing? It's obvious that that idiot is now a cultist.
No, don't say that now. How can you say such a thing? It's not possible. Wait. Is that why Christabel has been so moody? Huh?
Anyway, yes. Like they say, love is blind.
No. This love is not blind. This is a serious matter. I mean, there's no justifiable reason to remain in an abusive relationship. Babe, we might lose our friend. We might lose Christabel. See, babe, I need to hear from her first. I really need to hear from her.
Now you sabi. As for me, I feel that that idiot is seeing someone else because he has not been taking her calls these days.
Just stop it. Stop it. Aproko, what kind of gist is this one now? Please stop it, I beg go.
Jam question. If you ask me, now who I go ask?
I beg, get out.
Babe, I beg, I won't go chop.
Get out, please
Come.
go. Leave me alone, I
Come,
beg.
let's go.
Stop. You're just giving me bad vibes.
Catch up,
Christabel. No, Kelvin.
Kelvin! My goodness. Kelvin, what is this? Are you an animal? Why are you eating directly from the pot? You should have waited for me to come and dish the food for you. Or you dish out your own and leave the rest for me and your father. Kelvin, I am talking to you.
Back in the days, they will come. Oh yeah, they will go. Back in the days, night to come. Night to go. Back in the days, seasons will come. Nothing changes. Seasons will go. Back in the days, gentle breeze never gets my way. But now the night is so long, like day will never come. Sadness in the sky. I am wandering with me.
This is all your fault! You should have been here! You should have been here!
Oh no. How can I be happy? How can I see the old good days?
Why did you have to leave? Why?
Peace is gone away, far away.
No, what is it? Why is your face like this? I hope all is well at home.
Yes, Mama. All is well.
Don't give me that. I am your mother. What is the problem? Ogene?
Yes, that's how fast we deliver. As long as your company makes payment on the due date. 160 million upfront and the balance when the last phase of the project is completed. All right, I'll call you back.
You called me, Father.
Yes, I did. I waited up till 1 a.m. last night, or rather, I waited up till 1 a.m. this morning. You were not back. And when I left around 8 this morning, you were still not back. Son, what kind of life are you living?
Is this why you called me? Honestly, if you were not my father, I would have just walked out on you. Is this why you called me? Is there something you want me to do for you at home? Why are you looking for me?
You see how rudely you're talking to me, your own father? Yes, you're a grown man, but you're living an irresponsible life.
Oh, spare me that sermon, Father. Spare me. What do you want from me? What do you expect from me? What have I done wrong? That I went out to party on a Wednesday night? Is that something bad? Ladies' night. It's meant to enjoy. Am I supposed to be a workaholic just like you?
Anyway, your stepmom said you went to the kitchen and instead of dishing out the soup, you carried the whole pot. Why?
Honestly, Father, you disappoint me. So this is why you called me. Soup. So that witch had nothing to say but soup. She came to complain to you about soup.
Don't you dare call my wife a witch.
What was she? She's even worse than a witch. She is a witch. She turned you against me. Who does that? Witches. What are you saying? What have I done wrong to you? Oh, this is why you called me. To report about soup. Oh, this is why you called me. So she had nothing else to say but soup. She left everything she could say but soup. Or why she even bothered? Is it her money she used in preparing the soup? Is it not my mother's hard-earned wealth she's enjoying? So what's her own? Why is she disturbing me? Why am I even wasting my time when I know you're going to support her? And yet you say she's not a witch? She's a witch! Witch! I'm out of here! Witches!
Mama, he hates me with passion. He calls me a gold digger. I don't know what else to do to make him understand that I'm not what he thinks I am. I don't know.
So this is what you have been passing through for the past 6 months. And you kept me in the dark.
Mama, you were never in support of that marriage. That's why I didn't want to disturb you.
Yes, I am. And I am still not in support of that marriage. You shouldn't have married Chief. But you don't have to keep me in the dark. You have to tell me I am your mother. Eh? Hey.
You won't understand. I mean, this is exactly the reason I didn't want to tell you. I know you will bring up Matthew.
Yes. You should have married Matthew and leave Chief. Because Matthew is a young man of the same age grade with you.
You won't understand.
Why won't I understand that you didn't marry Matthew? Matthew is a young man, young hard-working man, well-to-do and with good character. Huh? So what are we not saying?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Please, I want to buy Korean time.
Again and reported him. I've been calling him. He doesn't want to pick his call. Who knows? Where did he even keep his phone? Eh? I will continue to call him until I get him.
Come in.
Oh, I see your new bodyguard is not around.
What do you want?
A new car.
You have two very good cars. Why do you need a new car for?
There are other cars in this house before you bought your wife a new car, didn't you? Didn't you buy your wife a new car?
She's my wife. And you don't expect her to be trekking, or do you?
Oh, spare me all that, father. That is my mother's empire she's enjoying, which I happen to be her only son. Your only son.
Mind the way you talk to me, boy.
The truth hurts, doesn't it?
Kelvin, I'm a very busy man. When you're done, you know your way out.
When I'm done, I know my way out? You're asking me out of your room? You say? You've changed! This stupid woman has changed you! Look at you, you weren't like this. Now you're not asking your only son to get out of your room. No problem. I'll leave. I'll leave.
You mean now? Where you come there now? Where you dey like this now?
Leave that nonsense, boy. You don't go last corner now to go house. Eh? Every day of that boy life, in mind there for money. You need money past Central Bank.
Wait. You say you go last corner. You don't go last corner again.
Leave him now.
You go last corner now. I know the see person phone. You go back a phone now. Put yourself for trouble. Call the wrong committers.
Because now, you see this time around there, anything we make up, they cash him again saying thief. I swear, along. You see my 1 naira dawa, no go come out for him bell out.
Why that boy need the year one? Why call on the year one? I think go last corner now. If they no see phone back in now, the next thing I go join Star Boys. From Star Boys now they go bus stop. They go begin to do pickpockets.
See, if that guy come, it be like we go begin to give this time around. It be like we go begin to give him chance.
I can tell you, when give us
like
chance.
this, we na spoil, we know the thief. Make that guy no come use his own, come spoil our own.
Now people like him. They make these people they feel say everybody forget to either thief or a shower.
That kind of thing.
I don't know why they're using brain.
See, in fact, as that guy they come back today, we go call him. Tell him say, see, you see this your thief life. Call him if you no go stop him. You follow us.
Open the same machine.
Who be that? I'm ready to stop here.
Wait, package. Let's say they come here. Package. They come package. Lock up. I say nothing they sell. No triple.
No triple. I demand. Nyana na mate.
Good morning.
Who you be? You be police?
Which station you from?
Eh?
Can I have a word with you?
Me? You and who follow?
Yeah, go observe, go observe, go observe, go observe. Go observe outside.
Which station you from?
We are living in this hood, we own this.
I came into the neighborhood to look for a certain guy named Adam. They directed me to this place, I don't know. Can you show me the guy they call Adam?
Adam? So that's what my name don't cast me. Now maybe Adam now. Now me they run the neighborhood.
You Adam?
Yes. See, now kush you want, have you?
I want good stuff.
Good stuff.
Good kush. Yeah.
Even if you want one full trailer, Adam will deliver them. As for your body.
Money is not a problem. I got money. I just need some good stuff. Good kush.
Good kush.
Good kush.
Go down. Let me get
And if you don't like, I'm making the hit the road now.
Shit. When you smoke some real kush and you say shit, that means that's a real shit.
Abi?
Shit.
Shit. This guy a correct guy, yo. I like him doing this.
This is original quality. I smoke so.
I tell you.
Original quality.
Make I tidy one more jumbo for you.
No.
Eh? Make I tidy one more jumbo now. See,
That's enough. That's enough. You can have it. That's enough. That's enough. You can have it.
Same, bro. Anytime when you need smoke, just come find me. I'll be here for you.
Shit.
Shit. If I end down now.
No, I can't.
Which one is saying it away? Bros, you see this area now, we get her. Eh?
Shit. Listen, guys, I don't have much, but
Correct guy.
let's just have that. I'll call you guys.
Kebo.
I'll call you guys. I'll call
Bro, Kebo. Ubu. Bro, Kebo. What's gonna happen now? No, I go take Kola go now about this one. I go take Kola.
No louder, only me and you. No louder.
Give me my own now.
Nah, I will see. Calm down.
I will see. Where the car they go? No, put this thing for pocket. No, Adams, no put this money for pocket now. I go report you. Kola.
Calm down.
Kola. No, they put am for pocket now. I go take Kola. Kola go hear this thing now.
I hope Mr. Stubborn responds this time. I miss him so much.
We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto. We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto.
See my mama, Hosanna, Jala say Hosanna, today with Kevin, Hosanna, Lord get you cool, if you see, don't be lying, come on say shit, oh boy, when I go there,
You see they seem right like this, eh? I go buy and pack for this ghetto.
You always dream. I like it to be dream.
You understand? I see the dream.
It's good to dream.
If you see our mama,
Hosanna.
Hey, tell us, Hosanna. David Kevo, Hosanna. I know one go again, Hosanna. If you see our papa,
see, Kevo, only you na you. Only you na people, only you na community, only you na country, only you na continent. See, Kevo, you don't kill me.
Kevo,
I thought they follow me.
Kevo, anybody will try you na Dakpada. Any man we no one here, Dakpada. Any man we no one here, Dakpada. For your matter.
Give me spark.
We need them.
Yes. I have seen them coming.
Hey,
shooting.
People. Of how far I come down here yesterday, I don't see you.
Small sugar for what tea.
Bad guy.
Yeah, your mama dey find you for house, so they call you dead.
You don't get see Mercy Jesus.
You know why?
You don't get see Mercy Jesus.
I can sit down like this.
You know that.
Kevo, you don't finish me.
You don't hear.
No with this. Come here.
You never hear my answer.
You be like saying no.
We know you. Do it for now.
Be careful with the man. No, you don't with this. You don't think the range. You don't think the range.
Oleri buruku. Your papa go fit buy this kind of thing.
Olori
Your papa go fit buy this kind of thing.
The fan Kevo.
Guys,
the fan Kevo is the man.
Too much noise dey affect my smoke.
The fan Kevo. Like you come out for here. The fan Kevo. The fan Kevo. The fan.
Olori buruku.
Olori for you.
Ma fuel.
Kevo say shit.
Hey, shit.
Everybody want to go.
Shit.
You just take it.
I'm gonna be like if I grow. Shit. I like this guy. You sound like shit, remember? You like shit, remember?
Just take water. Wait.
Shit.
Oyibo like the sweet.
Family, I'm
gonna be like you.
I'm not afraid of dying young, but I'm afraid of dying broke. If I want to get money, I want to have money. Wait.
Honestly, Joyce, I am scared for my life. He hates me with passion. His hatred for me has no limit. Honestly. I am afraid that one day he will come home high and he will pick his father's gun and shoot me.
This is very serious. Very, very serious. Does he even know that you never knew his father when the mother was alive?
He knows all that, Joyce. He does.
You see why I wished you married Matthew. Eh? See me now. Stella, see me. I married Mike. He's my age mate. I know he doesn't have too much money, but we are fine. We are not passing through all this whole thing. You're too young to go through this.
Really?
Yes.
No, really. Joyce, you are among those that think I married Chief for his money. Come on, Joyce. You know me too well.
If not for the money, why didn't you marry Matthew? He proposed first before Chief, but you turned him down. Why?
You know, everybody sees Matthew for the angel he portrays himself to be. I was the one wearing the shoe. I knew where it pinches.
My dear friend, please stop speaking in riddles. You've been saying this for long. Can you for once open up and tell me what the problem is with Matthew?
I'm not ready to do that now. How is Mike and the kids?
They're doing well. They're fine. They're okay.
Here is the wrapper you asked me for.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll return it to you after the wedding.
You don't have to do that. I have more than enough. Yes. So you can keep it.
Thank you so much.
Let me
So
drop you
nice.
off at the junction.
All right, thank you. Oh, God, I so appreciate it.
All right, let me drop you.
Honey, you and football, eh? Almost see concentration.
It is weekend football time.
I know. Enjoy, my husband. Just enjoy your weekend. By the way, where is
Mom, Dad, good day.
Welcome, son.
Thank you.
What happened? I didn't hear the sound of your car coming in.
Oh, that? Micah, I had a flat tire on my way home, so I just left it there. Don't worry, Yakubu will go bring it home. Mom, I'm famished.
Your meal is served.
Ah, thank God. So that was the scoreline.
Chelsea leading 2-0.
Ah, your team. Dad, the shipment detail.
Hmm?
Oh, good.
That was fast, son.
Ah, you can count on me,
Thank
Mom.
you so much.
Thank you, Mom. One more thing. Dad?
Yeah?
Your balance.
You didn't use up the money?
No, it was 20k cheaper, so I had to bring back your change.
Okay, keep the change. You earned it.
You know one thing I love about that? The way he says it. Keep the change. What are you looking at?
My share.
You have no share here. Come on. So how is it, Dad?
Okay, good.
Good work?
Yeah. That's awesome.
They just scored Chelsea.
Like father, like son.
I got you there.
Okay, that's great. This is good.
Fixed that.
Wow. That was fast.
You know you're old school, I'm new school.
Oh, please. I am still young and kicking.
Alright, Dad, you have it. Dad, late for my evening lessons. I got to be on my way now.
Alright.
Alright, Dad.
I'll see you at home.
Oh, sure. Do take care of yourself. And since when did my mentor start dressing like a gangster?
What do you mean? Am I not properly dressed?
1 minute. Excuse me, Dad.
Your son is funny.
What's wrong with him?
Let's see now. Let's watch others.
What's that?
1 second. There you go. Yeah.
Wow, smartly done.
Do I look better now?
You're better. Thank you
Of
very
course.
much.
Smart.
All right. Wish me luck, both of you.
Good luck.
Dad.
See you. See you guys later.
Take care of yourself. I'm proud of you.
So, I'm hungry. Food.
I know.
Please.
Let me fix your meal.
Please.
Sit down.
I love you, Mom.
Trust your mommy. I'm always there for you.
Of course.
Why did you have to leave so soon? Our son is lost without you. I have failed. I have failed as a father.
Out of my way, gold digger.
Listen, we need to talk. I've been sitting here waiting for you to come back. Please.
I have nothing to discuss with you, witch. I don't discuss with gold diggers.
Kevin, I don't know what I've done to you to deserve this name calling and hatred. I'm not a bad person. I married your father because I love him. Yes, I swear to God, I love him. I'm in love with him. That's
you know nothing about love. Gold digger. You are a gold digger. You're not even a good actor. You can't even act it out. I can see what you are. Alright? You want to reap where you did not sow.
No!
No, yes! Look at the age bracket. Look at my father. Look at you. Why don't go for your mate? Because you want to reap where you did not sow. That would not work.
That is not true, Kelvin. Forget the age. I love your father. I'm here because I love him. Please believe me.
You know nothing about love. You are a gold digger. You have succeeded in poisoning my father's heart towards me. I think you're happy now. Pop a champagne on me, but you've not seen the last of me.
Kelvin, can you just calm down? Let's have a proper discussion. Like two adults. Please, give me audience, please.
If you stand on my way again, I would break your neck. Dare me.
Sir. Sir. What about the 3 p.m. meeting?
Call and cancel it.
Okay. I'll add you this call to confirm if the 5 p.m. appointment still stands.
Cancel.
Here's the file you asked for.
Which file? When did I request for? What?
Sir. Sir, are you alright? Sir! Sir! Help! Sir! Somebody help! Sir! Hello? Yes!
Please, you must take your medication. And more importantly, you must have enough rest. Nothing or no one should disturb him. Please.
All right, doctor. Thank you.
Okay. All right, you have one. I can't believe that my own best friend that we grew up together pushed me to the floor, telling me not to come close to him again.
Listen, Jide, you have to calm down. He's our friend. Come what may, we can't leave him. This is not the right time to even be talking about this. He's obviously depressed.
Honestly, Christopher, I don't believe that this is the same person I grew up with. My own childhood.
If you ask me, I can't even describe this whole situation. It's hurting too. A few days ago, I saw him with 3 strange-looking guys and he drove past me like he didn't see me. Clearly, he saw me.
3 guys, right?
Yes, you know them.
Those are the same guys I saw him when I visited him at home. Drinking and smoking. You need to see how the place was covered with smoke. I barely breathed.
My goodness. This is getting out of hand. We need to do something.
This has already gotten out of hand. I mean, I wish his mother were to be alive. He won't be doing all this shit. This is not the Kevin I know, my own childhood friend.
Hey! Fling it, Dada. Fling it, Dada. Oh boy, cast everywhere. Kabo, where you be? Now you want just say, where you be? Kabo, cast everywhere.
Hey, this dance now, up down dance. I swear. You know, shut up, man.
You know, sir?
I will carry the gun.
Fling it, Dada. Hey! Fling it, Dada. Oh boy, fling it, Dada. Fling it, Dada. Hey! Fling it, Dada.
All my life good. On my honest today. No worry.
What is going on here? What is going on here? Today again? What is this? Calvin! What is the meaning of this? Have you gone nuts?
Bro, now your man be this.
Oh, you shut up.
Who be this? Alright, so 1 minute, I'll take care of this. How many times have I warned you to stay away from me?
Stop pointing at me.
How many times have I warned your miserable self to stay away from me? How dare you stop my group or question authority in
You are the one that is miserable, Calvin. You are miserable.
Next time you try to stop my group, I will strangle you to death. Are you mad? Are you mad? Wait! Are you mad? Stay away from me! Stay away from me! Wait! Look at her hair! Wait. Who be that? My house help. Sorry for that break in transmission. Where were we? WWW! Cast everywhere! Where's the wig?
Oh, Jackman!
Where's the wig? I'm gonna drink now. I'm gonna drink now. Don't say later.
You know, I said this gram now. If you go tell him, I don't know how much weight.
Where's the wig?
Where's the wig? Today, no one. I die here. I die here today.
Where's
Yes, now I'm gonna flex you every day. No, let's go.
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
One more word from that your useless mouth, and you see what I'll do to you.
You see what you will do to me because of this witch. Before now, have you ever seen what you do to me? No, this witch is manipulating. Can't you see?
Can't you It has not gotten to
Wait! Gold digger!
Please.
Gold digger! Why is she holding it? Break this thing on your Break it! Break it! Because of this witch, you want to break the head of your only son. Good! Isn't it obvious she's manipulating you? Open your eyes! Kelvin!
Shut up, Kelvin!
Shut
what
up!
What is wrong with you?
Wait!
Don't you have respect for your
You
father?
have succeeded in manipulating my father. You won't get me. Wait! Look at them. Both of you are witches. Spoiling my groove. The only time I have to have fun, you spoil it. Wait!
Back in the days, they will come. Oh yeah, they will go. Back in the days, night will come. Night will go. Back in the days, seasons will come. Nothing changes. Seasons will go. Back in the days, gentle breeze never gets my way. But now the night is so long.
What is this? Adam, now what you do? So now the food all of us contribute money cook. Now only you cut it down here. They eat. Where these girls then? Kara! Kata! Where money there? Where Bridget? Where are they? Go.
Adam, our food be this.
Adam!
What the is that say you they do?
That's when I no get respect to.
Eh?
Because of all the stay this house, I mean. Because you see my man born on, stop because I do like this. I say when I be outside now, you talk to me for street. Let me talk to me for street.
Be this. Now our
Gonna
food.
take time.
You know make
Food
sense.
where we contribute
Now.
money
Yes.
cook. Wait. Food. Now what be this? I don't play you. You for naked now. You for naked. That's the free. But the grace. Back at your other. Nobody's going for this after.
Night to go. Back in the day, seasons will come. Nothing changes. Seasons will go.
Henry, my in-law, you've been a very good man. And a good man, you should always be, irrespective of the circumstances. Okay? Yeah. I must tell you, I am so surprised at Kevin's sudden change of attitude. I'm so disappointed in him. Last time he came to my house, I took my time to explain to him why he should live in peace with you and his stepmother. He promised me he will. Then 2 days later, you called and reported him to me. I virtually did everything to reach him, but he did not respond. Now again with another report. Eh?
Honestly, my sister, it is difficult for me to say. I don't even know my own son anymore.
Sure.
Stella is a very good woman.
Yes, no. Huh?
But I don't know why Kelvin thinks that she has come to take Agnes's place. Never. That can never happen. And like you know, before she died, right in your very presence.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Please forgive me.
Look, don't talk. Just get some rest. You'll be fine. You'll be all right.
Agnes, my sister, please speak no more. You'll be okay. Please.
Auntie. Please. Take good care of them for me.
Hi. Agnes, please, like I said, be positive, okay? Be strong. You'll be fine. And you will return back to your husband and your son. Please.
Auntie, no. No. It's time.
Agnes, stop. Stop saying that. What do you mean it's time?
Honey, I want you to promise me something.
What?
Promise me I don't want you to be alone. Neither do I want Kelvin to grow without a mother figure.
Agnes, stop this, please. I said stop this, you will be all right. Don't keep talking like this.
Honey, please. Promise me you will remarry when I've gone.
You are not going anywhere.
In-law, please, make her speak no more. Let me call the doctor, please.
Don't do this now, Agnes. Stop. Agnes.
Who sent you? You didn't mad? Why can't you wake me like that?
Calm down, no. Why you dey shout now? How your Ajepadi dey outside? That make me come here, come call you. He did there wait for you since.
Kevo?
Kevo.
Kevo dey outside?
You
sure?
Come back, show you where he did.
Kevo, what Kevo come do here this kind of time? If I'm in my club, hey girls, we're going to see like 6 5.
Which park?
You're badnish. Kevo, how far now? This is why I show you this guy early morning, so now smoke carry you come. Because the guy they say smoke never show, it's too early.
Look at the time now. Eh?
But Satan, you don't forget me here now. Plus, I don't.
I better shut up, Jared. You like money. That's what you want me to pay you.
Settle me now, make
How are you?
I'm fine.
Nonsense, girl. I better take.
Thank you.
See waste.
Wait, Adam. Is that small girl pregnant?
Who be small girl? Essay. Now I say they call small girl. Essay. I said that 15 years now. We should be small girl. Even girls where they smaller than 15 years tell they run out for this area. I said don't even do yourself.
Wait. Are you kidding me or what?
I don't tell you, say I say don't. Now package your babes they run this one. I say don't bunkry. They was as I declare you, man, no smoke. It's too early.
I need smoke. There is no oxygen left in me. I need to top up.
Huh? Okay, I'll check inside whether I get one time.
Please check at least, even if now end beat.
Yeah,
check. I'm sure with all my faith, I'm sure you have.
Okay, no
I need to top up.
Why stress yourself? You should have told me that you're hungry so that I'll fix you whatever you want to eat.
What do you mean by that? I'm supposed to take permission from you before stepping into my mother's kitchen. Is that what you're telling me? Huh? I am not my father. I am not my father.
Come on, Kelvin. I didn't mean it that way. I'm only trying to help, that's all.
Have I ever asked you for help? What help will I need from a witch? From a gold digger like you? Have I ever asked you for help? Gold digger. I see. I told you I am smarter than you. I am spiritual, 10 steps ahead of you. You want to poison me. What? It will not work.
Kelvin, what is this? What have I done to you? Why do you always think evil of me? What
because you are evil! You're evil! Ever since you stepped foot into this place, I lost connection with my father. You're evil, can't you see? Get out! Get out! You're still looking at me. Wait! Go, digger!
He hates me so much. He feels I'm a gold digger. He thinks I am here to take his late mother's place. He blames me for everything. He's always threatening to hurt me or kill me. Enough is enough. I have to go. I have to leave before he carries out his threat. I have to go.
Back in the days, oh yeah, back in the days, night to come, night to come. Back in the days, seasons will come, nothing changes. Seasons will come. Back in the days, gentle breeze, never kiss my way. But now the night is so long, like it will never come. Sadness in the sky. I am wandering with many thoughts, fears and worries in my mind. But no, no, how can I be happy? How can
Henry, my in-law, you've been a very good man. And a good man, you should always be, irrespective of the circumstances. Okay? I must tell you, I am so surprised at Kevin's sudden change of attitude. I'm so disappointed in him. Last time he came to my house, I took my time to explain to him why he should live in peace with you and his stepmother. He promised me he will. Then 2 days later, you called and reported him to me. I virtually did everything to reach him, but he did not respond. Now again with another report. Eh?
That's your nephew for you. He hardly keeps to his promise. He doesn't honor his word anymore. I don't know.
Back in the days, oh yeah, back in the days, night to come, night to come. Back in the days, seasons will come, nothing changes. Seasons will come. Back in the days, gentle breeze, never catch my way. But now the night is so long, like it will never come. Sadness in the sky. I am wandering with many thoughts, fears and worries in my mind. But no, no, how can I be happy? How can I see the old good days reign again? Oh no, it's blue all the way now. Sadness. Happiness is gone away, far away.
Honey, what is this? What are you doing?
I'm leaving this house.
Why?
I cannot die in the name of marriage. I am leaving.
Please, 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 please. Please, it's okay. Listen. Look, I'm sorry about everything that's been happening, okay? Please don't go. I don't want you to leave.
Please allow me to go. I can't take this anymore, please.
No. Whatever it is, we can talk about it. Please. Let me take this, okay? Again until I knock some sense into your thick skull. Have you gone mad?
You slapped me. Well, because that witch of your wife asked you to slap me. You yielded to her bidding, right? Go ahead, slap me.
How dare you? How dare you? Obviously, this Indian hemp you smoke has gone into your head and clouded your sense of reasoning. Have I not warned you not to bring it into my house?
Point of correction. My mother's house too.
If I hear one more word from you again, I will slap you. Let me warn you. You should stop dishonoring your mother every time you want to justify your madness. Okay? And this is the last time you will disrespect my wife again.
No, go ahead and kill me. Go ahead. It's all about your wife. Tell her to go back to wherever she came from. Or better still, get her another house. Definitely not this house. It is my mother's house. My house.
If I hear one more word from you again, my house, my house, my house. Did you ever work for anything in this house? Have you ever worked for anything?
You are the one dishonoring your wife by bringing in another woman into this house. Shut your trap. What are you waiting for? Go ahead. Hit me. That is what she asked you to do. What are you waiting for? Hit me.
The thing when my ear the ear. My body no fit carry am. See this idiot. Yesterday while they waka for area, and one boy stop me. Tell me say my sister come in here. Say I not even wanting the boy they talk. See how she be. This thing no fit dey one place. You no fit close your leg.
Wait. How you want it dey one place? Where they don't share. They share to both Igbo smokers. Both the ones where they rub for anything as far as say they between my leg, then they share give. Why una no go just respect una self? Small. Hey, no be auntie. Why una too like quarrel? Why una too like quarrel? Una too dey jealous. Una just see two of us together like this. Una begin dey jealous.
See. Make I tell now. See, who no say they find respect, make you go your husband house. I beg.
Bam, give me 5.
Find respect, go your husband house.
Your mate, no their husband house. Your mate go get 4 children. With this thing where you carry for your head. Who want marry us? With this nonsense with the
How I want to see you?
See jealous.
How I want to see you?
I don't tell them. Maybe they stop with that crew way. Then they hear something. I never say anything for this ghetto. You see, I never see my small sister. Now you see her.
Stand up. Make them look you.
You see her. See the way she's looking.
See human being. See human being.
See who is talking.
See Auntie Caro.
When people are talking, this
Auntie Caro.
Instead
of you, so they plan on how you go take go look for husband. Make you stop to the drop out of food with us.
No,
you dare they gang up against me and my colored hair. How I want to see me? Where una be witches and witches ogbanje them? See this one, not be naked, she naked.
This one her body.
Not be house I dey.
Not be house I dey.
If I hear your mouth, oh, Kaka, wait till they follow women they talk. Eh? You they follow me. Where they talk to? You dey craze?
Hey.
You dey craze? You dey craze? If I hear your mouth again, I go squeeze this mouth.
Auntie, should I beat her? Should I beat her for
Auntie Caro. Leave her.
I beg, make we go groove. James is in town. The maga don't collect money from another maga.
Good now, wow. Every time money. Well, it's weekend and Susan is going to have fun. I don't know about you and your money.
Listen, babe, don't tell me.
How?
Jude. Jude, your guy. You know he has been asking you out from year one.
So?
Yes. I heard that the guy is in money. Good money.
Go, that's your business, okay? Because I cannot be like you. I will never be. What's wrong with you? Babe, can you... Babe, why are you looking all moody?
Nothing.
I beg, leave her now. Free her. Christabel, why are you killing yourself over that guy that doesn't even have your time? Listen, Bright is the main plug. Bright has money. What are you doing with that guy? Focus on Bright. At least you're chopping money now.
God, please. I have made this clear before. I am not interested in Bright. I don't know why you keep leading him on. Oh, Nawa for you. So you mean you've been collecting money from Bright, telling him Christabel will flow? Babe! You're just too desperate. Like, I don't get it. See, babe, cheer up, okay? Just forget her. Babe, no relationship is perfect. And time will heal everything. What would be, okay?
Special advice. My babe, see, don't mind this girl. There's no faithful man in this life, not even one. They only want us to be faithful to them, meanwhile they are not faithful. Babe, you got to enjoy your life. This life now once. Enjoy it.
So being faithful is not enjoying life. This girl is just terrible. Babe, just calm down, okay?
Babe, I beg, make we hurry. That cabman there outside, I even forget. Let's go! Come on, stand up. Let's go and have fun.
Hold on now.
Okay.
Let her finish.
Okay.
I'm already done. Just make it.
Okay, you're beautiful.
Careful. Now the level with this now.
That's the real shit. This is just what I need to cool off my soul.
But wait, Kevin, man, I don't understand. This is what he show you at this time. You know they come here this time before. Hope all is well.
All is not well. All is not well. Is it not my father's maid? Or should I call her a witch? In fact, she's a witch. That gold digger. She's a thorn on my flesh. That girl is my problem. Do you know the one that beats my imagination is my father supports her all the time. Whatever she does, my father supports.
Adan, you know the matter now. I don't tell you this level. See, all this in a small matter. See, that small package with that. Give me go ahead. Make her treat her. FK, I go treat her. Eh? No. Make her one matter with her.
No, Adam. Let me just handle it my way. You know my father is involved. One way or the other, it will get back to me. So, just hold on. I'll fix it. Let me just run along. We'll see now.
I no shit, brother, man. No shit.
How far you have
care.
Let me go now. I don't know. You have enough money?
No, I'm good.
Sure?
Thank you, man. You want to give me CD? I'm very good. Thank you, Bro, I'll see you later now.
No shakes, man. I'll call you.
All right, brother.
Babe, why doing this to me? I've been talking to you all this while in this campus. Why do you choose him over me? What is that he giving you that I can't give to you? You are the only babe that my heart chooses in this campus. And I can do everything to get you. And I'm telling you, from my heart.
Are you done? Is that all you have to say? Can I go now?
Why? All this now I've been saying, you don't find a place in your heart to understand me? Asa, talk to me.
Sorry, don't. You don't have to touch me. If you're done, can I leave?
To where?
I have a home, of course. I don't stay in the bush.
I know you have a home, but I want you to understand what I'm saying. I love you, truly.
We'll talk some other time. I need to go.
Christabel, are you walking out?
Any luck?
His phone is switched off. I called his auntie and he's not there. This is 3 days now.
If anything happens to him, they will say I'm the cause.
No.
They're going to blame me.
It's okay, it's okay. Listen, nothing will happen to him, okay? He probably checked into a hotel to cool off. I'm sure he needed to be away from home for a while, okay?
Okay, don't you have any of his friends' numbers? Yes, his girlfriend, Christabel. Don't you have her number?
See, I have spoken to both of them. None of them has seen him. And he has not been speaking to them. But they promised me that as soon as they sight him, they will alert me.
Okay, keep calling. Call, please.
See, don't worry. Look, everything will be alright. He will be fine, okay?
Just call, please. Sorry, let me call.
Who sent you? You the mad? Why can't you wake me like that?
Calm down, no. Why you dey shout now? How your ajepadi dey outside? That make me come here, come call you. He dey there wait for you since.
Kevo?
Kevo.
Kevo dey outside?
You
sure?
Come back, show you where he dey.
Kevo, what you Kevo come do here this kind of time? You're like club, hey girls, nobody see like 6
Which back?
You're badnish. Okay, but how far now? This why I show you this guy early morning, so now smoke carry you come. Because the guy they say smoke never show, it's too early.
Look at the time now. Eh?
But Satan, you don't forget me here now. Just I don't.
I better shut up, Jared. You like money. That's what you want me to pay you.
Settle me now, make
How are you?
I'm fine.
Nonsense, girl. I better take.
Thank you.
See him waste.
Wait, Adam. Is that small girl pregnant?
Who be small girl? Essay. Now I say they call small girl. Essay. I said that 15 years now. We should be small girl. Even girls where they smaller than 15 years tell they run out for this area. I say don't even do yourself.
Wait. Are you kidding me or what?
I don't tell you, say I say don't. Now package your babes they run this one. I say don't bunkry. They was as I declare you, man, no smoke. Oh. It's too early.
I need smoke. There is no oxygen left in me. I need to top up.
Huh? Okay, now check inside whether I get one time.
Please check at least, even if now end beat.
Yeah,
check. I'm sure with all my faith, I'm sure you have.
Okay, no
I need to top up.
Sir, I have used every possible means to search for him. I have even gone to some houses that I feel he might be. He is not there. This is becoming serious.
Where then could he be?
As I talk to you now, he has blocked me from reaching him through every social media means. Barred my line, I can't get him. His phones are switched off.
He did the same thing to me. Last night, I used my wife's number to call him. And immediately he realized I was the one. He cut the call and barred the number as well.
Same thing he did to Christabel.
Yes, she said so. If he doesn't come home tonight, or if I don't hear from him, I'm going to have no choice than to involve the police. That's what I'll do.
That's the best thing to do, sir. You are right. This is becoming serious. This is unlike Calvin.
Kevo. The package release. See, Kevo, we no go fit smoke for you. My landlord the house.
I didn't come here to smoke. I already had enough. I just want to cool off.
Cool off? Hey, this life, This life no balance at all, oh. See you where they rich, you get cars, get house, everything there. AC they blow you for house. You leave that better place and I hear you won't come relax.
Well, that is to further let you know that money is not everything. Money doesn't guarantee happiness. The rich also cry.
Kevo, why you and your old man no just sit down? We're gonna talk this matter out. So
do you know how many times I have tried to talk to that man? Huh? Do you know how many times I have made out time like, Father, let's see and talk? No. His mind is beclouded with that witch. All he thinks about is that witch. I don't know what to do anymore.
Oh, wow. If you see the way that woman they shine safe, once you just see that woman, the way she take the shine like new mirror, you go know say that Beyonce. Woman get power.
I'm sure with time everything will fail. It's just a question of time. By the way, where is Bala and Kola?
They did the next street and they did one side they hustle.
What kind of hustle and which site?
Site like where they build new compound, new house, new building. They did it, they hustle, they carry bong.
New building bong. What did you just what is bong?
Not bong now. People have seen they carry sand, they carry cement for where they build building, carry block, carry
laborers on site? Is that what you call bong?
Nah, bong.
So that's what you call it here?
Yes.
Bong.
Not be bong.
Say it again.
Bong.
Bong.
Bong. No, not bong. Now they also be that.
Welcome.
Let me see. Come and see.
Oh my goodness. He read your messages.
He read all my messages and blocked me again. I don't know what is wrong with that boy. He's so strong-headed. Let me send him another message.
Honey, please. When he replies, I want you to remain calm. Talk to him calmly. Because we don't know what this is. Maybe there's more to this than we know. Okay?
Okay. Let's wait and see. I have to go now.
Back in the days, they will come. Oh yeah, they will go. Back in the days, night will come. Night will go. Back in the days, seasons will come. Nothing changes. Seasons will go. Back in the days, gentle breeze never gets my way. But now the night is so long, like day will never come. Sadness in the sky. I am wandering with many thoughts, fears and worries in my mind. But no. How can I be happy? How can I see the old good days reign again? Oh no, it's blue all the way. happiness is gone.